Streamline your English. Mastering the phrase, streamline. Hello, English explorers. Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of the English language. Today, we're going to dive into a word that's as sleek and efficient as its meaning, streamline. So, what does it mean to streamline something? And why is it a favorite in business and everyday English? Grab your notebooks, and let's get streamlined. Streamline originally comes from the physical world, describing a shape designed to minimize resistance to flow. Imagine water moving smoothly around a polished rock or air gliding over a sleek car. That's streamline in action. In everyday language, to streamline means to make something more efficient or simpler by removing unnecessary components. It's about enhancing performance by cutting out the clutter and focusing on what's important. Now that we know what streamline means, let's put it to work in some sentences. Business: the company decided to streamline its operations to save on costs and improve productivity. Technology: developers have streamlined the app to make it faster and easier to use. Daily life: I've streamlined my morning routine to have more time for a proper breakfast. Each example shows the transformation from something complex to something smooth and efficient. While streamline can be used in many contexts, it's important to know when it fits perfectly. Here are some tips. Use streamline when talking about improving processes or systems. It's also great for discussing changes that save time or resources. Avoid using streamline for situations involving emotional or personal complexities, as it refers to practical and efficiency-driven changes. Streamline has synonyms like simplify, optimize, and refine. However, each word has its nuance. For instance, simplify may not imply efficiency but only making something easier to understand or do. Optimize suggests reaching the best possible performance but doesn't always involve simplification. Refine often relates to improving by making small changes rather than an overall overhaul. Even though we're not using phonetic transcriptions, practicing pronunciation is key. Repeat after me in the video. Streamline. Slowly, then at normal speed. I want to streamline my study schedule. Practice this sentence. Remember, pronunciation practice helps you remember the word and use it confidently. And that's a wrap on streamline. I hope this video has helped you understand and feel ready to use this powerful word in your English communications. Streamlining isn't just for processes. It's a concept you can apply to learning English too, by focusing on effective methods in practice. Happy learning, and stay tuned for more English language tips. Keep streamlining your journey to fluency, and I'll see you in the next video.